Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a mind-bending discovery that's got physicists buzzing. Imagine a superfluid, flowing effortlessly, and then, in a quantum twist, it just stops. Like a river turning into a frozen lake in an instant. This is what researchers at Columbia University might have witnessed in a solid-state material, and it's blowing my mind. So, what's the deal with superfluids? Well, these are materials that flow without friction, like a liquid, but they also have some solid-like properties. It's a bizarre state of matter that physicists have been fascinated by for decades. Now, these researchers have potentially observed a superfluid-to-insulator phase transition, which is like watching water turn into ice, but at the tiniest scales imaginable. The key player here is graphene, a wonder material just one atom thick. By stacking two layers of graphene and manipulating their electron and hole densities, they created a unique playground for these superfluid shenanigans. What's really cool is that they could control the density of excitons, which are like particles that form when electrons and holes get cozy. At high densities, these excitons flow like a superfluid, but lower the density, and they freeze up, becoming insulating. Here's where it gets even more intriguing. When they warmed up the system, the superfluid flow returned. This suggests that the insulating phase is not a permanent state but something that emerges and disappears based on conditions. Personally, I find this fascinating because it challenges our intuition about how matter behaves. It's like discovering a hidden switch that toggles between fluid and solid states. But the mystery deepens. The researchers are unsure if this insulating state is a true supersolid or some unknown quantum ground state. See, supersolids are this hypothetical state of matter that's both liquid and solid at the same time, and it's a big deal to catch one in the wild. However, studying insulating materials is tricky because they don't play nicely with traditional probes. The team is now developing new tools, like a scan probe technique, to peer into this exotic state. They are also exploring ways to create these conditions without strong magnetic fields, which is a huge experimental challenge. In my opinion, this research highlights the beauty of quantum physics. It's full of surprises and constantly challenges our understanding of the universe. This discovery raises more questions than it answers. Are we witnessing a new type of phase transition unique to quantum materials? What other secrets do superfluids hold? As we continue to probe the quantum realm, we might just uncover a whole new world of matter waiting to be understood. So, stay tuned, because the story of superfluids is far from over.